Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about a poem which was composed by great poet Robert Frost, and the title of the poem is Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, which was composed in 1922. And in this poem, poet Robert Frost wants to convey a message that we have a lot of responsibilities which we have to fulfill or complete before our deaths. So let's enjoy the poem. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village, though he will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. In this poem, there is a traveler who is going from one place to another on his horseback, and in the middle of the middle of the way, he stops, attracted by a woods and its scenery, and he stops there for taking some rest, and he wants to enjoy the beauty and all the things of that particular place. At that time, his horse gives and indicates through his bell that if he is making a mistake, and at that time he realizes that this place is very beautiful and very attractive, but he has a lot of responsibilities which he has to fulfill before his death, and he realized his mistakes, and he started his journey again. So these last four lines of the poem is the essence of the poem, and the poet Robert Frost used metaphor in the poem, and here the word woods means the attractions or temptations of the world which attracts us. When a man comfortably settled, then he started living a luxurious life, and he ignores his duties and responsibilities. So here the word woods means the temptations and the attractions of the world, and the word sleep is used for the death, and miles to go before I sleep means we have a lot of responsibilities which we have to fulfill or complete before our death. So this poem inspires us to do our duty honestly and hardly, and we have to fulfill all our duties and responsibilities before our death. I hope you got the essence of the poem and enjoy the poem.